Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you guys trying to find fuses, relays for the trailer backup lights, also known as reverse lights on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, guys. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below if you need to get something, and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The trailer backup lights, also known as reverse lights, fuses and relays, let's explain where you can find them. Guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. Good for us today, we work in a fuse box that most people know. It's easy to access. Open the hood. Once you guys open the hood, here on the driver's side, you have, that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have a cover, fuse box cover. Remove it. You're going to find underneath a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly guys why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here the fuse boxes may have some minor differences. 2018 model they decided to change it. So first we'll start with 2018 model. The fuse that we need to check is fuse number 16. We're talking about this 10M fuse. Now if you have a 2014 through 2017, okay, there will be minor differences, but specifically that fuse will be exactly the same, still fuse number 16. What about relays? You don't have relays guys, you have only these fuses that are known as relay fuses. So for the backup reverse lights, that's the only thing that you need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.